Top 5 Interesting Facts About Bonang Matheba's upcoming book. The media personality known for her high sense of style and professionalism has so far had a fantastic year, and we just can't wait to know what her book is all about. Bonang Matheba's drive and ambition is contagious, and her journey to success is something to write a book about. In a recent interview with Glam Africa magazine, she shares her future plans of writing a book. Here are 5 interesting facts about Bonang Matheba's upcoming book. 1. It's a self-help book, a motivational book. A story about my career, the lessons I've learned and how I got to where I am, she said. 2. She says the book is for those who always ask for her secret to success. 3. She will also share how she survives social media bullying and negative criticism. 4. Brand Bonang is about positivity. I vibrate so much love and positive energy that people give it right back to me. 5. I never respond to negativity, I don't start negativity and I don't participate in negativity, she says.